Hey nerds, welcome to Jerry Bear Reacts. Today we are reacting to Bungou, Stray Dogs, 7 Nation Army. This is an anime edit posted by Miscellaneous Coffin. Posted back July 2019 with over 2 million views. The runtime is 4 minutes and 11 seconds, the 411. If you guys want to watch it uninterrupted, a link in the description box down below, as well as links to Patreon, Twitch, all the good stuff. And if you're new here, feel free to subscribe for daily content. If there's a day, there is a reaction. Now, let's be clear. I have no clue what this is. This was just recommended often, actually, on the Attack on Titans one we did last month. And actually, some other people messaged me about this as well for the 7 Nation Army. I don't know what Bungou Stray Dogs is. I've never heard of this anime. Like, it's something I've never even heard of, let alone never watched. So, hey, let's see what it's about, though. Like, Jerry does his best work behind the scenes, and let's see. You ain't gonna give me subtitles either? Okay, I mentioned this before. I don't care if it's subbed or dubbed. I'll watch it regardless. But if I'll give you a heads up, if there ain't no subtitles, bro, I don't know what's going on. So if the video don't have it, that's gonna make it even more interesting for me to try to piece together. Oh no, she looked nervous to see him. Red Eyes Black Dragon. I love that type of shit. Okay, so oh shit. Man had a knife to his throat, didn't even fucking bat an eye. Cigarette. Ooh. Oh fuck! Wait, that transition was sick. Oh, solid. I love the anime bloods. The one thing I know I'm pausing a lot. I know the one thing I love about anime is the blood splatter, because it's always so excessive and it just makes it so much better. Hey, rest in peace, that ninja. The flick of the glass on the beat. Don't want to hear about it. The gun flip or the phone flip. The England to the house of hell. Ooh. Yeah, buddy, it's see how force goes? That's my favorite part of this whole like version of this song. Ah. This looks, I'm not gonna lie, this looks really good. I like those like spirit things, like fighting each other. I love whatever that just was. The glass shattering and all the different colors. Strip out of every part. I don't know what that spirit thing is, but I'm in love with it. She pulled the pins from the grenade around her neck. I'm gonna assume he says something pretty cheeky right there. Listen, bro, fuck the show for a second. Them edits were lit, especially the 2 glasses hitting the 2 champagne glasses and it turned into 3 scotch glasses. That was fucking dope. Listen, there's a bunch of stuff happening. There was like 2 spirits fighting each other. People had guns pointing at people's heads. There was knives at throats. There was blood, broken arms. Somebody stabbed somebody right in the lower lumbar. There's a fuck ton of... I have no clue what this is about. Straight up. Like, even from that, I couldn't tell you a single thing. All I know is I want to watch it. They even played chess. There was explosions. Listen, not even about the show, because the show does look good, but I have no clue what it's about. I feel like I do want to at least, like, check it out at some point, though. But, oh, especially the, from the Queens of England to the Hounds of Her. And then it, like, did that weird voice thing, and then it had that, like, big puppy dog show up, or whatever that was. The big thing is... just edit, dude. Like, I see why it has 2 million views. Maybe because of the show, but just the way it blended, just little things with the different words and putting certain shots. The cigarettes behind the eyes, the Hounds of Hell, just the beat. The 7 Nation Army is so good. That version of the song is so good, and I can't believe it was. I think I mentioned it last time too. It was wasted on a fucking Battlefield trailer. Which, of course, got me hyped for Battlefield. Then that came out, and I was just like, bleh. So, yeah. That's where we're at. Bungou Stray Dogs. Feel free to give me any information you want to about this so I can, at some point in my life, check it out and peep it out and see what's popping. So, as always, guys, that's all I got. Links, everything in the description box down below. Playlist up on screen. As always, stay cute, stay hydrated, and I will catch you on the next one.